Last Thursday, R. Kelly and his new lawyer, Jennifer Bonjean, filed motions with the court asking the judge to throw out the case against him. Let's get into the details. My name is Jamal Kersey and I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California, and in this video, we're talking about R. Kelly's motions recently filed in court. This will be another solid video, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video when it drops.
Quit playing. I didn't do this stuff. This is not me. I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this.
As you likely know by now, R. Kelly went to trial on a racketeering charge and 8 counts of violating the Mann Act last fall. He was ultimately convicted on all counts. Kells recently filed a motion asking that he be acquitted, or at a minimum, he be given a new trial. A motion for an acquittal is based on the argument that the evidence at trial was insufficient for a conviction. So R. Kelly and his lawyer would be essentially arguing that the federal prosecutors did not present sufficient evidence to secure a conviction. Again, he also filed a motion for a new trial. One of the arguments for Kelly's request for a new trial is that his Sixth Amendment right to counsel was violated. He argues that he received ineffective assistance of counsel during jury selection. Jury selection is a very important aspect of a trial. It's vital to do what you can as a defense attorney to make sure you have jurors who are committed to being fair and impartial, especially in a case like this. If Kelly can prove his lawyers fell short of an objective standard of reasonableness, and there's a reasonable probability that if it weren't for the lawyers' errors, the result of the case would have been different, then he might be able to get a new trial. Kelly also alleges that one of his prior lawyers had a conflict of interest in their representation of Kelly. Kelly had previously waived the conflict of interest. However, the motion alleges that this was an unwaivable conflict, and therefore Kelly was prejudiced by the conflict and deserves a new trial. As you can imagine, motions for a new trial are rarely granted. It costs many of thousands of dollars for a case to go to trial. Between the judge, the prosecutors, court personnel, and jury fees, trials are expensive. Judges generally want to have this process play out one time and one time only. However, it's worth it in this situation to make the requests. At a minimum, getting a new trial would give Kelly another shot at beating his case. His lawyers would have the benefit of having the whole trial transcript to plan their defense, ideally being able to shut down or at least have answers for the prosecutor's evidence. We'll see how the judge rules on these motions. And so that's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.